Hello everyone, welcome to ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. I'm Mike, and today I'm thrilled to showcase the ultimate Excel tool for drivers and shippers. This tool is perfect for anyone in the transportation industry looking to streamline the way they calculate distances and times between destinations. Over the past 16 years, our team has developed more than 50 Excel-based tools, helping over 7,500 clients automate processes, minimize errors, and free up their time. Many of our clients have told us how invaluable our tools have been, improving productivity and reducing the stress of manual calculations. We are proud of the positive feedback we've received, and I encourage you to check out our Google reviews to see how other users have benefited from our tools. Now, let me tell you more about the Excel Driving Distance Calculator. This tool does not require any installation. Simply download it from the link in the description below. It's designed to work directly within Excel, and all you need to get started is a Google Maps API key, which I've covered in a previous video on how to set up. The process is straightforward. Suppose you have a list of addresses and you need to determine the driving distances and times between each pair. Just input your starting addresses and ending addresses into the tool. Click the Calculate button and instantly get the distances in miles and times in minutes. You can also set the distance unit to kilometers in the Settings tab. The tool is flexible, accepting a wide range of address details from complete addresses, partial addresses, zip codes, cities, and even latitudes and longitudes. If you have any questions or need assistance with the tool, or if you require specific adjustments to better suit your needs, don't hesitate to contact us. You can find our phone number and email in the description below and on the screen right now. Although I handle these tutorials, Vinnie, the genius behind our technology, is just a phone call away. He personally answers our support line, ensuring you get expert help directly. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more useful tips and updates. Catch you next time, and happy shipping.